I, like many Americans, love Star Wars. I love the strange and wonderful planets, the powerful vehicles, and the diverse characters. I can quote Anakin and Obi-Wan's lines from the prequels by heart. I know the epic music scores. I love the classic stories of good versus evil, light versus dark, and how to use power for good. But there is one aspect of Star Wars that resonates especially with me and with us as Americans. This theme is fighting for freedom. Why do we love a story where a ragtag group of heroes starts a rebellion and decides to take down the evil galactic empire? Think about it. The story sounds familiar, doesn't it? This is because the story of Star Wars is our story, the story of our country's founding. We are the rebellion against the empire. We fought for freedom from the unfair clutches of the British. Seeing this story play out in front of us makes us think, wow, we really are a great country, and it is great to be free. But what does it mean to be free? In Star Wars, the heroes want freedom from Emperor Palpatine and Darth Vader, who blow up any and all planets who stand in their way of the full control of the galaxy. In our American Revolution, our founding fathers want freedom from the tyrannical rule of Great Britain and the unfair taxation laws imposed upon the 13 colonies. Does liberty go beyond being set free from what we see as oppressing us? In America, we have an unalienable right to liberty. But what does having this right mean for us? Already, I sense a question. How can I, an American citizen, live in a country that prides itself on freedom and call this into question? I am pretty much allowed to do whatever I want to, as long as it is within the law. However, when I look around today, in this free country, I do not see free people. What if I told you that defining freedom as the ability to do what we want actually makes us less free? The discrepancy in this issue is due to a difference in understanding about what it means to be free. Do we have a right to do whatever we want without hindrance? Should we continue to spread our current understanding of liberty and live by it? The answer to both of these questions is no. Christians need to recover the true notion of liberty to reshape a culture that has forgotten what it means to be free.